Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to do a fun resin project. So I have a new dish mold here. This one is just a simple round dish mold. And I want to make this dish with a flower pattern. Here are the supplies that we're going to need. I got some black beads for the middle. I got pink and white for the colors. And I also got some chunky glitter. For the resin, we're going to be using epoxy resin from Hippie Crafter. This was sent to me to try out, so thank you so much. Since this is the first time I'm using this brand of epoxy resin, let's take a look at the instructions. So we're going to measure 1:1 by volume. And it doesn't seem to say how much time we have to work. However, it does say we should mix it for about 3 minutes and should not exceed 8 to 10. So I'm guessing we have about 30 to 40 minutes to work. Alright, let's start and mix our resin. For this first batch, I am going to add the glitter first, and we are going to pour it into the edges. And as you can see here, I'm actually not doing a really good job, but we can go ahead and push the resin in with a stick. Next, I'm going to fill the mold with the clear. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. Now we're going to add the beads right in the middle in a circle. We're going to pour the colors in alternating colors. So pink and white, pink and white, pink and white, finally, taking a toothpick, I'm going to draw lines in. So this will help create the petals. And on the very edges, I'm going to flame it out a little bit. And that's it. Let's wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our resin is cured. So this is the mold so far. I think it's gonna look really nice. So let's go ahead and demold it. And here it is. Oh my goodness, isn't it pretty? I love how the beads turned out, and we get so many layers of the flowers in pink and white. Just look at that. This is so pretty. I love the little bits of glitter too on the sides. So the only thing is that this is not a perfect circle because the mold was a little bit lopsided. And so you can see there's a few kind of bends here, but otherwise the dish looks really cute. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So it looks like from the top it is a pretty good round shape. It's just the bottom's not perfectly round. So I'm not sure if I can actually do anything about it because it is the mold and not the resin. Taking a closer look, you can see that the resin is pretty clear. There's not a lot of bubbles. There was a lot of bubbles when I first poured it, and this resin is a little bit thicker than the one I usually use. And so I think next time I would actually warm up the resin before I pour it, and that might reduce the bubbles. But overall, it's really clear, and I'm really pleased with the results. Alright everyone, so if you like my little dish, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!